Hi everyone, Ms. Hageland here. This is your second lesson for The Pedestrian by Ray Bradbury. What I want to show you is how to use this tool called Cami. So you can see that there's a blue bar at the top of my screen. I'm going to show you how to access this. So the first thing that you'll have to do is download it from the Google App Store. And if you need help with that, let me know. I can help you. Otherwise, I've seen you all download many of other extensions as well. So do that as you would normally. If you have questions about that, you can always reach out to me. So I'm going to show you an example of how this works. So you'll open up a PDF. So I've shared a PDF with you on Google Drive for The Pedestrian. Then you're going to open with, and you're going to click Annotate with Cami. So once you do that, that's how you select the app that you're going to use. Once you do that, you'll be able to use this. So this is just an example because I already had the Pedestrian open. But I will show you now how to utilize it this way. So last time we were talking about different literary devices and how that's how we're going to be doing our literary analysis for this specific essay. So when I go into here, I might just find, there are so many different ones in here that we talked about last time. I'm just going to show you, maybe you want to talk about, that he talks about things that are dead and everything that's kind of lifeless. So let's see, sudden gray phantoms seemed to manifest upon the inner room walls where a curtain was still undrawn against the night. Okay, I'm highlighting that. You can change that into a different color. For me, the yellow is sometimes kind of hard to see on this. You can, and just go through and highlight the different ones that you see. You might want to say, something about blazing like a Christmas tree. Or you can talk about, different quotes that you're finding. So, hello in there, he whispered to every house on every side as he moved. Okay, well, you can talk about how the author is using this example as how lonely he felt. This is a very strong image you get of someone lonely if they're whispering to houses that he doesn't even know who lives in there. You can talk about the cement was vanishing under the flowers and the grass. You can talk about what you can glean from that. I don't want to give you too many, but I want you to just highlight as many as you can think of. You don't even have to label them yet because I'm going to have a different lesson on the different literary devices, but I want you to, things that stick out to you as something that really makes you feel that the author is trying to convey a really strong message. So go through and try to highlight at least 10 things. You're not going to use all 10 because this is going to be a shorter essay, but it is going to be really specific and heavily focused on the way that the author uses language in order to portray something different. So that's going to be your first assignment. And then once you do that, you're going to hit this save button. Mine is on autosave. You can also download it. I don't know exactly what that looks like on a Chromebook, but you can download that with the highlights and then just send me that as an email, and that will count as your assignment for today's lesson, is going through and highlighting the different pieces of the different literary devices, or where you feel like the author is using good language to paint a picture in your mind, so offering imagery to you. So that's going to be your assignment for today, and then we will have another explaining the different literary devices. All right, it sounds like my screen is done. All right.